Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Now our topic is General Register Organization. General Register Organization. This is the topic from second unit, second chapter. We don't know which question is important. Most students are asking which question is important. This question also sometimes asked, right? General Register Organization. So here our subject is computer organization. So inside computer we have small memory part that is called register, that also should be organized. Right, this is a topic from central processing unit, CPU, processor, brain of the computer. Here the question asked last year is this one. Show the question. Come here, come close. Explain about general register organization with a diagram. If you ask with a diagram or not, you have to draw the diagram because COA subject is full of diagrams. The question is explain general register organization. Register set will be there. Don't get confused, so many diagrams are there. That's why I am telling which unit, which topic. So understand the question first. Right, here the title of the diagram is register set. This is register set because register operation we have register set with common ALU. A common arithmetic logic unit will be there, parts of processor. Right, these are register sets. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, these are register set. Instead of having many registers, come closer. Instead of having many registers, we use a common bus system. I told you in my previous video, common bus system means it is a selection of all wires and lines. All registers get together will form a bus. That will be showing here how micro operation will be performed inside it. Right, here we have 7 registers, right, and 2 mux. Already told you in my previous video. Mux means multiplexer, which takes many inputs and give one output. Here 8 inputs. These 7 registers and 1 input from outside. So 8 inputs, 8 into 1 mux, this one. And here also 8 into 1 mux. That will enter into arithmetic logic gate. Arithmetic logic unit that will give output, and that again connected to these 7 registers add load 7 lines. Here we have a decoder, 3 into 8 decoder. 3 lines will be input and 1 selective line will be entered into this register set. As this is a register organization diagram, remember this register set. Don't get confused with other diagrams. So this 3 will be giving select decoder. Right? This will be SELD means select decoder. That I will tell you. Here we have cell A. Cell A means select. Here cell B. Cell B means selecting bus B. Bus B will be selected. This 7 lines will enter into this mux, including this input line 8, and here same 7 lines will enter inputs as this mux, including this 8. 8 into 1 will get 1 output as B bus. Here 1 output as A bus. These 3 lines will indicate, will select B bus or A bus. Selecting A bus, select bus, and this select bus will enter into ALU, arithmetic logic unit, that will enter into this again. In this way micro operations will perform inside the processor and the computer. Right, this is a block diagram. This is a block diagram. Again we have part B. This is control word. Show me this control word. Already told you control memory is a part of control. Memory is a small part. I already told you in my previous video. Control memory is a part of control unit. Control unit is a part of processor. Processor means brain of the computer, CPU. Control unit, control memory is a part of that. Control word is a part of control memory. Control memory. There we have micro instructions, micro operation, micro code that will execute micro program. Here we have 3 lines selective A, 3 lines selective B, 3 lines for selective decoder, and OPR. OPR here is we have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me this. This OPR means show closer. Come closer. Operational lines. These are operational lines. We'll select which operation should be selected. In arithmetic logic gate we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logic gates will be there. Greater than, less than. So out of this, which operation should be performed will indicate, will be operational lines. Select by this operational lines. So here A bus, selective lines, and this part this part and this selective D and this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to this side. This control word has 4 fields. These are fields. 4 fields, 4 objects. Each 3. Selective lines has 3 inputs. Selective lines B3. Selective D. Decoder has 3 lines. Operational lines has 5. That will select the A bus, B bus or decoder or operational lines. Total we have 14 binary selective inputs will enter into that to perform micro operation. So this is also important question. Register organization. So write neatly the diagram and explain the points which I have told in my explanation. Right? All the best for your exam. Yes, draw the diagram neatly and explain the bullet points. So this is for general register organization. So we have register set here. Don't get confused with other diagrams. Here we have register set, nothing but bus. So selection A will select A bus, selection B 3 lines. These 3 lines will select B bus, and operational 5 lines will select which operation should perform in ALU. So totally micro operation will be performed. In B control word, we have 4 fields: selection A, selective B, selective D, decoder and operational lines. Total 14 binary lines will select this register operation. The title of the diagram is register set with common ALU. Right? Pause the diagram and write those points which I have explained. Write neatly. If you draw only diagram, you will get out of 15, 8 marks only. So if you explain well, you will get 15 out of 15 marks. So all the best for your exam.